In this lesson, they are going to play the football in the mud. Shall we see the lesson, children? Yes. So we are going to see the lesson, a muddy game. This is from your workbook, children. This was an article that was displayed in the newspaper, the News Daily. They have shared this in the newspaper. Okay. So the topic is mud football thrills Kerala football fans. Actually, Kerala is famous for football because people in Kerala, they were very much crazy about football. So today's class we are going to see about mud football. Mud football is nothing but the football which is played in a mud. அதாவது மண்ணில் வந்து விளையாடுவாங்க. Usually we will play football in the grass. Okay. But here they are playing the football in the mud. So I will start the lesson. Crowds started gathering around a muddy field in Malappuram, Kerala on Sunday evening. Vehicles that were passing by stopped, curious to know what was happening. Actually, this football match was happening in the place Malappuram in Kerala. So while the match was starting, the people who are moving in that way, they have stopped their vehicle and they want to know what is happening. Okay. The excitement and the size of the crowds increased when they found out it was a mud football match. The match was held for the first time in Malappuram, an area that is already famous for its football grace. And it was super hit. I never thought it would be so much fun, said Joseph, a footballer used to playing on the usual dry grass field. Okay. So already this Malappuram was famous for football because the people in that place are very much crazy on football. So now they are going to play this mud football. So people are very much eager to see the match. The grounds were prepared for Sunday's match a few hours in advance. The empty paddy field. Actually, the grounds were prepared before the match start. So they will prepare this mud before some hours before the match start. So this was field was prepared in the paddy field. Paddy field is nothing but the where we will grow the rice. So it is called as paddy field. Okay. On which the sport would be played was water till it was wet, muddy and very slippery. So what they will do, how they will prepare this paddy field means they have to pour more water in that paddy field so that the mud will become very slippery. வழுக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த சேறு சொல்லுவோம்ல, that is called marshy. It looks marshy. Okay. So till that they will pour the water and prepare the field for the match. Two teams, Malappuram and Wayanad, played for 20 minutes. So there were two teams, opposite teams. One is Malappuram, another one is Wayanad. They were playing this match for nearly 20 minutes. Okay. The mud came up to the players' calls, but they still played the best that they could. So the mud was spread all over the players' leg. But till now what they didn't quit the match. They were interested in playing the match. The players ran and kicked the ball around with a lot of concentration. They splashed each other with mud and often slipped and fell into the muck. After just a few minutes of the game, the players' faces and clothes were covered with mud. But the players did not mind as they were enjoying themselves. So the players were very much concentrating in their game and they were playing in a full manner. So what happened while playing that their faces and clothes were became mud. Okay. It was covered full of mud, but they never mind what they did. They started to play the match. The watching crowd also had a great time cheering loudly as two teams fought to win. So the crowd, the people who are watching the match also were cheering the two teams. They also were enjoying the match. After a thrilling game, the Wayanad team won 1-0. It was such a different experience playing in the mud, said Nofal, the captain of Wayanad team. Okay, so the Wayanad team has got 1 goal. So the captain is saying that it was really fun to play in the mud. It was a different experience. He is sharing his view with the person in his team. It took lot of effort to pass and shoot the ball without falling down. but I have never played such a challenging match. So while playing in the muddy place, it is difficult to pass the ball to the goal pole. Okay, because we may fell down in the mud also. So it was really a challenging task for the players, but anyhow they are enjoying the match. So do the players prefer mud football to the old game played on dry ground? Mud or no? Oh, mud or no mud? We just love the game, said Chubby, the captain of Malappuram team. So we will play both and be football champions. So the Malappuram team captain Shabir is sharing that whether we are going to play this in a mud or not in a mud or in the grass field, whatever it is. We are the champions. We love to play the football game. He is sharing his view with the Noful, the captain of Wayanad. I hope you all understood the lesson very well, children. So along with this video, I am sending you the PDF worksheet. Okay, you have to listen to this video. After listening to my video, you can write the worksheet. Whatever question is asked there, you can write in the worksheet. This you can write in your workbook itself. No need to write in the homework note. Thank you.